take the screen protector out of the box, inside the package you should find wet wipe, cleaning cloth, dust observer, dust removal sticker, extra screen protector, scraper, and mounting frame. If you got a brand new iPhone, then the screen of the iPhone should be already protected using a film. Peel off the film, otherwise use the wet wipe and the dry cloth to clean the surface of this screen. You could only put the mounting frame in one orientation, so slowly and gently put the mounting frame over your phone in this direction. With one hand hold the frame and with the other hand pull out the long plastic sheet. And then gently press down over the frame, and now wait until the screen protector fully covers the screen. You could see a bit of bubble here, don't worry. Now gently remove the cover, and at the end there is a film, so simply peel off the film. Here it is, the screen protector is perfectly aligned to the screen. From the box, take out the scraper and gently push over the bubbles towards the edges, and in this way, one by one, take out all the bubbles from underneath the screen protector. To buy this screen protector, please use the Amazon links in the description. Also, I suggest you to watch my video how to remove bubbles from screen protector for more in-depth tutorials of removing different types of bubbles. You could also find many more iPhone tutorials on the screen as well as in the description.